Sridhar Maharaj. So all the Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis, please accept my Dandavad Pranam. This, after many lifetimes, we have come to. It's our fortune that we are here in the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. This, all the Braj Leela. In order to go into pure bhakti, in this slok, Srimati Radhika is saying, look at that Giriraj Govardhan, how much he's serving Krishna. He is doing the topmost seva. He is the most very dear to Bhagavan. This way in Chaitanya Charitamrita it says, Bhakti is very far in the material world, but even in Sansar, you have to have a topmost. As long as you have the bondage of the Sansar is not broken, then how can you go into pure Bhakti? What is the reason why there is a bondage in this material world is because of our anathas. Actually, that's why, because of our anathas, we cannot have pure bhakti. Sadhu Sangha, slowly with Sadhu Sangha, and Ananta Nivratri. Then after Swarup Siddha, then we get our Swarup Siddha. What is our Swarup Siddha Bhakti? It is our Nitya Siddha. When we know our Nitya Siddha Swarup, then whatever our seva is, that is seva with the relation. Swarup Siddha Bhakti. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying, Srimati Radhika is saying, and Srimati Radhika Radhika is the Swarup Shakti. She is the Shakti of Prakash, of Krishna. The source of Krishna's Shakti is Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika is doing so much seva. She does so much seva despite how much seva she does. She is saying that Giriraj, look at Giriraj, how much seva he does. So that's why we should take shelter of Giriraj. One is Ananda, also Ananda. So we see, look at Giriraj, how he is doing the service, how he is serving Krishna. There are many Haridas. Hari, what is the meaning of Hari? Who have won Krishna's heart by Madhurya. Madhurya, how is Radha? What is Radha done? She's one. She's one. She's one Krishna's heart. Hari, there are many different meanings of Hari. Our acharyas have spoken about the word Hari, meaning of Hari. But our Padaji, our unconditional souls, because of the anathas, they cannot win Krishna's heart. So, like for example, there is an iron. If a magnet attracts iron. Magnet attracts iron. But if that iron has got some dirt on the surface, then the magnet will be able to attract the iron. Similarly, where there is anathas in everyone's heart, in whose heart, because of anatha nivritti, we cannot attract Krishna. There is 4 types of anatha: Swarupa, Hriday, Dulabh, Ashakti, Krishna, and Aparadha. These 4 anathas, then Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, in Madhurya Kadambini, he's described many types of anatha: Duskriti, Sukriti, anatha, Bhakti, Uddhar, Aparadha. These many types of anathas. How can we destroy these anathas? There is only one reason, only way to destroy these anathas is to take the so you need kripa of Madhu. Madhu Bhakti gives us kripa. So sadhu, we don't want to serve, but we want to serve the material world. But then Guru Padma, Santa Mahatma, what do they do? They take us and they say, serve Bhagwan, serve Santa. So that's the only way to destroy the anathas in Avatas. So similarly, Radharani is saying, because Giriraj Govardhan is the topmost servant, that's why we should take shelter. So Radharani is saying, take shelter of Govardhan. Haridas, who is the topmost? The topmost servant of Haridas is Giriraj Govardhan. First is Yudhishthira Maharaj, is a Hari. Yudhishthira Maharaj is a and the second is Uddhav. Third is Giriraj Govardhan. They are as how much one seva does. Yudhishthira Maharaj's seva is not ordinary. He was doing so much seva. So how much can you serve it? How much you are sampit, the more surrendered you are with Guru, then your seva is more. Then the Guru accepts the seva. Yeah, Guru and Vaishnava don't really need to be, they don't want the seva. But Guru does the kripa, and then Guru accepts our seva. By giving us mercy, he accepts our seva. Guru knows. Until we don't do Guru seva, our anatha nivrittis won't be removed. So that's why in Shastra it says, Bhagavad seva, Bhagavad seva is the topmost seva. In Sandarbha it says, one is Bhakta Swarup and one Bhagavad Swarup. Bhakta Swarup and Bhagwan Swarup. So whose Bhakta Swarup is Giriraj Govardhan? Acharya is saying that who is Bhaktas are Acharya and Bhagwan Swarup is Vishaya. We have to ashray, under the shelter of ashray, we have to serve Vishaya, which is Bhagwan. So we have to serve the Bhagwan under the shelter of a Sevak. So if we don't take the shelter of a Sevak, ashray, then we cannot serve Vishaya. There are many said, what is the Swarup of Giriraj Govardhan? Or is it a Vishaya Vigraha or Ashray Vigraha? There is many, I have spoken of Vipakshans. We accept both. But by taking Ashray Swarup, it is not Giriraj Govardhan. Giriraj Govardhan is himself a manifestation of Krishna. He is Krishna himself. But we said, if Sevak is in the Sevak form, he is serving Krishna and Kripa. So he is a Vishaya Ashray. This is a speciality of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has said, Giriraj, that we don't commit offense to Giriraj Govardhan. So when you, Mahaprabhu said, when you go to Vrindavan, don't stay too long in Vrindavan, because of our mental state, we can easily commit offenses in Vraj to the Vrajvasis. Because Bhagwan Giriraj is the Swarup of Bhagwan. How Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to serve Giriraj when at the end, when he was in Bhav, that Sila, Govardhan Sila, he gave the Giriraj Sila to Raghunath Das Goswami. And Raghunath Das Goswami was serving the Sila, the Giriraj Sila. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Sevak, Govardhan Sila. The Sila that Raghunath is serving is today Radhakund. It is near, is there. It's in Radhakund. They don't let us go to Radhakund. Like Govinda, like in the Radha Govinda temple, when we went to Vrindavan, they saw so many of us, so they didn't let us in. So it's like Madhurya Jasadas. So like, like how Jashoda Ma says that so many comes and then that nobody does najar on my son. So Mahaprabhu is saying, our Acharya Padme is how should our mood will she be with Giriraj Govardhan. So the Swarup of Giriraj Govardhan is a Sevak. In that way, in thinking in that way, Giriraj is Sevak, we should do our bhajan. Radhaji's. How is Giriraj manifested? Giriraj manifested from Radhaji's mind. So that's Ashray Vigraha. So we should serve Giriraj in an Ashray Vigraha. Then we will get fruit of our bhajan. We should also think. Is Vishay Vigra under the shelter of Vishai Seva? We are serving Ashray Seva. Even Baladev is also Ashray Vigra. He is in Baladev is no different from Krishna. Baladev is also Vishai Vigra. When we went to Ramghat, Baladev did Raslila, but Baladev Prabhu Sadasav is serving as a sevak. He's serving as a sevak, Ashray Vigra. Similarly, Giriraj is also serving in a Ashray Vigra. And Chakravarti part and Rupa Goswami part and Sanatan Goswami part. And how do they serve the Giriraj? And they say they serve this. Actually, Giriraj is a Madhurya Seva. He's serving Thakurji in the Madhurya mood. Why have we come here? That's why we come at the shelter of Giriraj Govardhan. How Giriraj Govardhan serves. Beautiful. Like gopis, like Giriraj have so many beautiful caves. And how they do the Nikunja villas for Gaudiyas, we are not doing, but how Giriraj is serving his Giriraj Sakti. Giriraj is Sakshat Swarup. Sakshat Swarup means what? We've seen it, we can see it. For example, in the court, there is a fire in that person's house. Did you see the fire? So the judge will say, the judge will ask, why did I go? And then I was passing by, and this so-and-so person was put a fire onto so-and-so person's house. So you say, witnessed. I witnessed it. I saw it myself. So you have to be witnessed. That's why he's saying Giriraj Govardhan is Sakshat Swarup. He's done Radha and Krishna's vilas, is a witness of all the leelas that have taken place under the lap of Govardhan. So Giriraj is witness. So first today we'll go to Mansi Ganga. In Mansi Ganga, there are many ghats. The ghats how Krishna, how he had Leela with the gopis, and how he did Prem pastimes with Radharani there in Manasi Ganga. Dutyas, Giriraj doing so many Leela. Then Bhagwan said, who doesn't want to listen to the Madhur Leela of Bhagwan? Who doesn't want to listen? Everybody wants to listen. There's so many beautiful Leelas of Krishna. This Giriraj Govardhan is a Sakshat witness. He's a witness. He's a witness to all this Krishna's Leela. If you read Shastras, by reading Shastras you won't get bhakti. What do you have to do? You have to take the shelter of Giriraj Govardhan. That's why Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying in Astak, there are so many beautiful sloks. How Giriraj Govardhan, how They are aparatik vilas. They are the witness of all the leelas, all the transcendental leelas of Radha and Krishna. Giriraj. The leelas are so beautiful that by serving Giriraj Govardhan. This is the speciality of Giriraj Govardhan. It is in look. Srimati Radhika is Vishmay, is Giriraj Govardhan. How Radharani is saying, see how Giriraj Govardhan is serving Krishna. What seva does Giriraj Govardhan serve? We have to know. Then we have to hear how Giriraj Govardhan is seva. Then we have this, and then we have also eagerness in our heart to say, how should we serve? How should we serve Thakurji? So I will also decorate Thakurji in nice ornaments. So like Radharani is so humble, and he's saying that because of us we cannot serve Govinda. But look at Giriraj Govardhan, how much he's serving Krishna. And if you take another meaning, Apala, because we are female, because we've got female body. If you look at the ordinary ladies, but this, there are 7 types of Shakti. Krishna also gets surprised. When we went to Bandirvan, where we went to Bandirvan, where Radha and Krishna, they were fighting. There was a quarrel, and Krishna wrestling, like there was a wrestling lila, and Krishna fell on the ground. And then he said, oh, I have lost. And Radharani is on top of Krishna. And Krishna is saying that I have won. So he said, whose nose is up? Then they say, oh, if your nose is down, then if your nose is down, then you're junior. But Krishna is saying, my nose is up, and Radhaji's nose is down. Radha is on top. This wrestling, but Radhaji he with hold 2 hands, and with his hands and his legs tied up, and then Krishna fell on the ground, and Radhaji is on the top. And still Krishna is saying, Krishna cannot move his legs or hands, and still he's saying he's not accepting the loss. Krishna, Sakhis are saying, hey Krishna, accept it, you've lost. Why are you not accepting that you've lost? Why? Because he's saying, because my nose is up. Those type of leelas happen there. What I'm saying, Radhaji is saying, remember these leelas. Yes, Sakhis, we have bal, we have strength. Radhaji is telling Sakhis that yes, we have Baladev, we have Sakhis. So many times we have defeated Krishna. In Tattva Vichar, Srimati Radhika fulfills ichhas of Krishna. In the Purana. Radhe. In the Purana is saying, why is Radha's name Radha? It's because of whatever desires Krishna has, Radhaji is fulfilling Krishna's desires. Sometimes it's Krishna's icha, that Krishna's desire that I win. Then that is Radhaji fulfills that. And sometimes Krishna's desire is to defeat himself. So, there was a swimming competition between Radha and, like there's a lane between Radha and Krishna, and both of them. Radhaji has so much strength. Radha swam so much faster, and Krishna was left behind. And all the Sakhis are clapping, and they're saying, Radhe, 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 Jai Ho, Radhe, Radhe, you won. Retreat. And then Radhaji at that time, he just turned her face to look at the back. And then Krishna is thinking that, hey Radhe, you are always winning all the time, but today let me win. So what did Radhaji say? Because Radhaji knows Krishna's desire. Then Radhaji just dipped down in the pond, in the Radha Kund. There was only 2 meters left. 2 meters left to touch. So what did Radhaji on purpose do? She put her head in the river, in the pond, and quickly Krishna swam and touched the wall of the river. So Krishna won. So Sakhi said, we came here and we clapped. We clapped when you were winning. But then why? The Sakhis are saying that. But why Radha Radhi? Why did you dip in the water? But Sakhis, Radhaji is saying, Sakhi, today my Pran Priya its desire was to win today. So Krishna is saying, Krishna's desire was that, oh Radharani, you are always winning, but today my desire is that I win. Hare. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So like that, the Leelas are always taking place. Ahankar Puti Govardhan. Here Radhaji is in simple way saying, the simple meaning is Radha and Krishna and Balaram, Sakhas. When the Sakhas are on the Giriraj Govardhan, when they touch the lotus feet of the Krishna and Balaram and Sakhas feet, touch the Giriraj Govardhan, many the Giriraj has a lot of bow mood, it manifests in him. What is even the beauty, the feet of the Krishna is very beautiful. But what's in the Kunj, that Radhaji, that Krishna is making Radhaji in Kunj. And the Kumkum, that Kumkum is on the Krishna's feet. And today that Kumkum that has been picked up from the Gopis' breast is today that Kumkum is touching the Giriraj. The Giriraj has trembles, Giriraj starts trembling. Vishwanas Chakravarti Thakur is saying the lata is the script, the lata is and the trees. And what are the latas? The latas are the scrubs. The Mahaprabhu is showing in Giriraj Govardhan. Sakshat. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was absorbed in the prem, the hair stood up on stand like you know, like thorns that stand up, like a thorn is in the same way. You know the thorns that are on a plant. In the same way, when he was absorbed in prem, his hair was standing on like that on Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So similarly, like even Chaitanya in Giriraj Govardhan, all these leelas that when the Govardhan touches the lotus feet of the Sakhas and Krishna, Giriraj is so much fortunate. Radharani is saying, Giriraj is so fortunate, so much Anand, so much, he is so fortunate. This Giriraj Govardhan in the hot weather gives a cooling water in the falls. And then when Krishna is going in the cow herding in the winter, in the summer, he gives a cooling water. And in winter, he gives a lukewarm water. Today you got up at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, you enjoy having a bath in hot water. If you don't want to have a bath, who doesn't want to have a bath? It's like who wants to have a bath? There's hot water. Even if it's cold, if it's very cold outside, you want to have a bath in hot water. So similarly, in Giriraj Govardhan, during the winter, it gives warm water, lukewarm water. That time Krishna, who is with Sakhas, and they drink this warm water. And even where these ponds in the Krishna and the has a bath with his sakhas in that warm water in the pond, and there is always with his sakha, Krishna with his sakhas, a very nice bhojan, very tasty and delicious bhojan he eats there. Giriraj, this is such a beautiful seva. Giriraj Govardhan is very. In the sila, you know, the sila also has really nice fragrance. Even when we do parikrama of Giriraj Govardhan now, and there is a sila there, that even today that sila is present there. If you put some water and rub it with your hand, then you can, the hand will become like orange color. Even for 7 days, this fragrance in your hand will remain. In Prakat Leela, during his transcendental Leela, that Sila, only the gopis used to do their Sila. They used to rub, and the color, the red color that used to come out from the Sila by rubbing your hands with the water, the gopis used to put that on their face as a gopi dot. There's so many nice, beautiful flowers there. There's many flowers that are grown in Giriraj. Those flowers, the gopis are collecting these flowers, or for Radha or Krishna, they make mala, they make garlands. The seva is so beautiful there. See how Giriraj is seva. So that's why they say we will take shelter of Giriraj Govardhan. Gurudev used to say Giriraj Govardhan. is very old, very old. The shadow of the Giriraj goes how far? During the summer, when the Sakhas are doing the cow herding, and when they used to take rest there in the Giriraj, all the cows used to take rest. About 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it's very hot. All the cows, they used to take the shade of Giriraj and take rest. And Krishna with his Priya Sakhas, 1 or 2 Priya Sakhas, and they used to go. And they used to do with the gopis. Even now, you go to Anogao. This is Vajan Sila. Vajan Sila is Vajan Sila. Even today, there is Vajan Sila. If you tap on it and then put your ear against it, so much beautiful the sound would come out. Other ordinary people don't listen to it. It's a very big stone. It's a very big sila. It's a very huge stone. Even today, when you hit it and you can then put your ear against the sila, you can hear very beautiful sound. So when the Sakhas and the Krishna was there, they used to do that. Even the gopis, when they were doing Ras Leela with the gopis, when we go to Chandra Sarovar, gopis, how in Chandra Sarovar, how they were doing Ras Leela. So many beautiful musical sounds they used to dance, and the gopis used to dance. Vrindavan. These Vrajvasis used to sing this. There's so many beautiful leelas of Giriraj Govardhan. When Krishna is doing cow herding during the Jet Meena, and Krishna used to climb on the Giriraj and take darshan of gopis and Radharani from distance. The silas of Govardhan, because of it used to get so hot with the sun, with the light of the sunlight, and the feet of Radharani are so soft. Even then, her feet are burning, but she's not feeling the burn because of Anurag. What is Anurag? That is that Anurag for Krishna. The Anurag, she doesn't even have even her feet are burning, but she's not even aware of that at all because she's so much Anurag with Krishna. There's one example. In Ujjwal Nilmani, there's a, because this Giriraj Govardhan, how much seva they do to Radha and Krishna. That's why we come here at the lap of Giriraj Govardhan, and that Giriraj Govardhan is merciful to us, and that this prem is manifested in our heart.